This is the first attempt, first weekend that I got the package from ZYLTECH out of Houston, Texas. It's a 3-axis controller kit. The software for the universal G-code platform. Free download, worked first time right out of the gate. I configured it for the Probotics Fireball X90. I'm sure I'm going to have to reconfigure it when I actually install it on the machine. The Gerbil software that's running in the Arduino with the Gerbil CNC Shield, also from ZYLTECH, in the $118 3-axis CNC kit, as well as 3 TB6600 drivers, 3 NEMA 23 269-inch stepper motors, and a 24-volt 20-amp power supply, all included in the kit. Very simple configuration. Got it up and working in a couple of hours. I've only got one axis working, but basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to jog X plus, and it's going to go about 10 turns, and you can see it follow there. And then I'm going to jog it back 10 turns, and it goes clockwise. I'll go X plus again and go 10 turns counterclockwise, and that's at a feed rate of about 1,000 millimeters, I think, per second or per minute. I forget. Anyway, this is the first video. Certainly not going to go on YouTube, but I'm pretty impressed with the kit, and very happy with it.